Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the template and going straight to View, then slide Master so you can edit globally. Once there, inspect the top master slide because changes there cascade down. Make sure theme colors and fonts are correct before you change placeholders. You will see layout thumbnails. Select one to preview how content will flow. Make quick cosmetic adjustments now so later edits stay consistent, and save a copy to preserve the original template in case you need to revert. Once done with the master overview, focus on individual layouts. Select each layout thumbnail and edit placeholders for titles, body text, and images to match your content needs. You should align elements to guides and use consistent spacing so slides feel unified. Adjust placeholder formatting to enforce font size and bullet styles. Make background changes on the master slide to avoid repeating work, and use the Format Background pane for gradients or images that scale. You finish by applying the updated layouts to sample slides and checking playback and printing views. Test both 16:9 and 4:3 if you support both. Save your file as a Fanatics template so it's reusable, then create a new presentation from it to confirm placeholders behave as expected. If elements shift, reset the slide or reapply the correct layout. If fonts break, embed or select available theme fonts to fix rendering before distribution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.